What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. I actually already started on the project, which I'm going to be showing you guys, and that's re-clearing this hood. It's wet right now, so it looks actually in way better condition than it does when it's dry. I wanted you guys to see sort of the damage on it before I actually re-clear it. So just so you can see, this whole front area had some chipping and stuff like that. There's some scratches here. I actually did do a video on this hood when I picked it up. I picked it up for $150 Canadian, which is about $90 US, something like that. So I'm gonna start off with 800 grit, guys. Then I'm gonna go to 1000 grit, and then I'm gonna finish it off with 2000 grit. I know people usually do it in different steps. I'm just doing it like that because it's what I have. I do have some leftover from a previous project, so we'll be wet sanding it, guys. So this is gonna be a long process. So I'll see you guys in the end, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's all finished.
I don't make the trick, so you know we about to turn on.
Okay, guys, so you can see at the bottom of the hood how bad the clear coat actually was. And in the middle there were some scratches there as well. Here you can actually see what it looks like after sanding it down. Uh, it looks a mess, but this is exactly how you want to get it down to where there's no clear coat left. It's just very hazy. So after this is where I basically finish my 1000 grit and 2000 here. And in the next clip, you'll see me finished with the 2000. Okay, guys, I just wiped it down with some water. This is after the 2000 grit, which is the final step. I'm gonna dry it off, see how it looks. If it's all uniform, then that will be my last go over with the 2000 grit, and then I'll move on to the clear coat process. I will be cleaning it with alcohol before I do that. I'm just gonna go ahead and dry it out here, see how that looks. So this is generally, if I can paint good, this is how the clear coat should look. Looks really good, guys. Hopefully I could lay the clear coat down as good as it looks right now. Either way, guys, however the outcome looks, I'm gonna be happy with it. It looks better than it did before, 100 times better, I should say. So yeah, guys, let me keep going at it. Okay, guys, so this is what it looks like after the 2000 grit. I did wipe it down quickly so it's not completely dry, but at this point I'm gonna start cleaning it with some alcohol and letting that dry, and after that I should be able to be ready for clear coat. I was gonna hit it with one more pass of the 2000 grit, but I think it's gonna be fine. So let's get started. Just get some alcohol on there. You can see some dirt on the towel.
So what we're trying to do is remove as much of the oils and the dirt that's on the paint at the moment.
More dirt, guys. This is a dry one now. I'll give it a few more passes with the alcohol. I want to make sure everything's cleaned off of it.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna let that dry off now, and I should be able to get it cleared. Unfortunately, this is the only space I have that I can clear this thing. I don't want to clear it inside my house. I'm not gonna clear it outside either because it is winter right now. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna unbolt the hood. I'm gonna flip it over a little bit so it's easier for me to spray it. I'm gonna I'm gonna cover up as much of the car as I can. I don't care if clear coat gets on the wall or whatever, but I'm gonna cover up the vehicle as much as I can, make sure there's no overspray on it, and we'll clear coat it right here, guys. So let me get this all dried up, and obviously once I'm painting, I'll take you guys with me. Guys, I just took a video and it didn't save. So I actually just hit it with my first coat. I went really light on it, guys. There's still some spots that really didn't take on the clear coat. I did get one run here at the end because the can actually kept sticking open. You can see the runs are kind of right there. But it's not a big deal to me, guys. I will be sanding the hood down once I get my last coat on there. Alright guys, got my mask on.
Man, don't make the trick, so you know we about to turn on.
out okay, guys. It's not looking like glass yet. I'm not sure if we're gonna get that glass look, guys. I'm trying my best right now, but at the moment it's not looking like water. That's the second coat. What's up, guys? So this is my boy. His name's Anto.
Follow
You can follow, hit him up at West. Go ahead.
West 6 Auto Spa. Follow me on Instagram. It's West the number 6 IX Auto Spa. And yeah, let me know if you need anything.
Yeah,
Detailing to polish it.
Yeah, guys, we're in the Toronto area, specifically Brampton. So as you guys know, we already clear coated the hood. It didn't come out so great even after the 2000 grit, but I think my buddy Anto, with his professional skills and Meguiar's good old compound, we should be able to get a good glossy shine out of it. So we'll put the time lapse on, guys.
So once your pad's primed, you can go ahead and add more as you go to it and continue polishing. And I'm doing sections, so I'm going this side first, then that side, then we're gonna do the half. So we'll show you actually half after it's done, right?
Okay, guys, I'll put it on a time lapse for you. Alright, guys, so this is after my final pass with the compound. Looks really good. There is still some places that have orange peel, but I'm not gonna worry too much about that, guys. So in this video I showed you guys how to re-clear your hood, how to sand it down, and how to re-clear it. Please give me a subscribe, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.